FBI, open up! FBI, open up!
Oh, no, 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 no.
FBI, open up!
Let me work my magic.
Yo, what's up, broskies? I'm the Neverbeener, and today I'm going to show you how to get free Robux on Roblox. Right click on the buy for to 199.95 and click inspect, and it'll go to this page with all the programming, like numbers and elements and stuff like that, and want to change the 199.95 to 0. That's it, and you'll have the 0 right here. Use $0 in the console to refer to this element. That's alright. So that means that the price now is $0, and as you can see, it's got 999.999 Robux, and this hack does work.
Oh my gosh. Give me a second. I'm gonna stick to the rules. I'm doing this, alright? You ready?
FBI, open up! FBI, open up! FBI, open up! FBI, open up!
I never thought this would be back in the game. Look at this.
FBI, open up!
あっちを見たら俺の負けとは言われたが、イカ様となれば話は別だ。今日こそ俺は君に勝つ。バカだ！ちゃんと逆上がりしてる。
FBI, open up! What are you, man?
西方、こっち向いていいよ。
Prank, baby! Yeah! Filthy prank!
Clear!
FBI, open up! FBI, open up!
Today we're going to be going over 5 Fortnite YouTubers who've sworn.
FBI, open up! FBI, open up!
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar? No, Papa. Telling lies? No, Papa. Open your mouth.
Ha ha ha, it was cocaine you were bamboozled.
FBI, open up!
I'm Mike. And I'm Kevin. Today we're talking about illegal building techniques. What is your favorite?
My favourite technique, though, I think, is something that a lot of people don't know about, and is a way of these are two 2x4 bricks, and you put your 1x2 tiles inside, in the groove down there by the tube, one in each end, and then you just put your other brick on top of it, and that one.
FBI, clear right!
Let me work my magic.
Are you playing those video games again?
FBI, clear right!
As a finishing touch, it gives breathtaking brilliance, without frizz. Reveal the beauty of your hair. New Alvive Extraordinary Oil from L'Oreal.
FBI, open up!
So guys, I'm going to show you how to actually hack Builderman's Roblox account. So for those of you who don't know who Builderman is, he is like the first Roblox person.
FBI, open up!